Stickers are awesome. Seriously, you can put them everywhere. You can put them on skateboards, you can put them in books, you can put them on yourself. Since you agree with me that stickers are super cool, I thought it'd be fun to make a video showing you how I make professional quality stickers at home. So without further ado, let's jump into it. The first thing we need to do is figure out what we're gonna make stickers out of. Typically, what I would do is I would get the iPad out and I would just start drawing something to make the stickers out of. But luckily, I have some illustrations I did from a video back, and we're just gonna use these and turn them into stickers. By the way, if you haven't seen that video yet, it was super cool. I ended up making this tote bag out of some illustrations. You should check that out, but that's a different video. I'm gonna take my illustrations and upload them into the Cricut Maker software because I'm gonna use a Cricut to cut my stickers. But if you don't have a Cricut, just go ahead and get them on the computer and I'll show you what we can do next. Okay, so I have all of my illustrations uploaded into Cricut Maker space. I'm using the Cricut to cut these out, so whatever you're using to cut them out, you'll want to use that software, but I've got everything uploaded in here. Now, what I want to point out is a big deal when we're making stickers is I want to add an offset. So I'm going to click this offset button right here, and I'm actually going to take it down to probably like 0.1. What this is going to do is going to add a little border around the stickers, which is what I want because I don't want them to be flush cut to the edge. I want them to have a little bit of a border. I just think it looks nicer. It's just a nice thing you do with stickers. So I make sure to add that. It's preference. You don't have to, but I like the way this looks. So just something to call out. I'm actually currently editing this video right now, and I thought this would be a good spot to just stop and talk about the different types of cuts when it comes to stickers. So what I'm doing here is called a die cut, and for example, this is a die cut sticker right here that I've made previously. See how it has this edge around it? It follows the edge, and there's actually a version where you can go straight up to the image. So this one has a border, it's a white little border, and this one doesn't. Again, these are both die cuts, but they're just different preferences of style. Now, there is a version called a kiss cut, and that's what I do for these sticker sheets. So these are all individual stickers, and I can peel these off. I actually have one that's already peeled off a little bit, but you can see it leaves the actual background, and you could just peel off the actual sticker. So this would be a kiss cut. So you need to determine what type of stickers you want to do before you start making them. But for this video, I'm going to be making die cut stickers. Just a little tidbit. Everything in the computer is set up, ready to go. So now what I need to do is I need to send it to the printer and start printing. So the printer I'm using is the Epson EcoTank 2800. If you've seen any of my videos, I've done all my prints with this and I absolutely love it. It's got individual fill cartridges, so I can just fill them up as I need, but I've had this for probably 2 years now and I still haven't had to fill them up. If you're looking for a printer, I would highly recommend this one. I'll have it linked in the description. The sticker paper I'm going to be using is Joyiza sticker paper. I really like this stuff. It comes out really glossy and it just holds up. I personally like to laminate them afterwards if it's going to be going outside or on a cup or something, but most of the time just the paper is fine on its own. Again, I'll have this linked in the description if you're looking for some sticker paper. Now, this is specific to Cricut Maker software, so if you're following along with that software, I want this to be noticed. There's a button here that says Use System Dialog. Go ahead and select that when you click Print. What that does is it pops up this dialog right here, and in here I can get a little bit more granular with my selections. So media and quality, I want to click that and put photo glossy paper because that's what my sticker paper is. And that changes the quality to best. And I've noticed that this really does impact the quality of the print. So just something to call out. And even if you're not using the Maker software, make sure to look at your print settings before you print. Print turned out really nice. So now what I got to do is I got to run this through the laminator. Once it's laminated, I can put it on my Cricut mat and then I can get these cut out. But if you don't have a laminator or a Cricut, I'm going to show you a quick way just to turn these into stickers. Now, obviously, you're going to get a better result if you do the lamination and you have some type of cutting machine. But say you don't, I mean, you can just get a simple pack of sticker paper like this for maybe around $10. And it's as simple as just taking some scissors and cutting it out. And I'm going to show you. Now, I did this kind of quick just for demonstration purposes, but this is a sticker. Obviously, this is a sticker, and I'll show you even one better. I can actually peel it and stick it. I mean, prime example, you've got a sticker. Super simple. It doesn't have to be expensive. I mean, you can make stickers if you have a printer and some paper for $10 for the pack. I mean, you don't have to overcomplicate it. Now, for the ones of you who do want the professional at-home quality stickers, keep watching. So the laminator's heating up right now. What I want to do is I want to take my print right here and I want to put it inside of the laminate packet. So there should be an opening somewhere on the lamination sheet. So there is right here. So I'm just going to open this and I'm going to throw my print inside here. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just get it close. Something like that. And then I'm going to close it up. Make sure I get like all the air bubbles out. Again, you don't have to stress about this, but that's what we want it to look like. I've got the illustration or the print inside of the lamination. And then once this is nice and heated up, I can throw this through. By the way, I'm using the Amazon Basics laminator. I think it was like $30. I don't know. It's super cheap and it does a really good job. I think when it comes to lamination, a little bit of money can go a long way. I've been happy with this. I'll link it in the description if you want to get one yourselves. So this light turned green right here, which means it's ready to laminate. So what you want to do is you want to throw in the closed side of the lamination packet. Just feed it through and then by magic, it should laminate. Just like that, we've got a nice laminated sticker sheet that makes it super hard, almost like plastic, which is gonna make these stickers last that much longer. Now it's time to get the big old Cricut Maker out. Again, this part is optional, but really does make your stickers just look that much more professional. I've got the sticker on the mat, so now I can feed it through the Cricut. So a big trick on this is you wanna make sure that you're lined up on the left side. That's gonna give you the best cut. And then I'm just gonna feed that through. We're gonna select our buttons and let it do its thing. It's looking good, so now I get to do the fun part and just peel this away. So satisfying. So the stickers turned out really nice. If you can see, really shiny, really good quality. I know you can't feel it because you're on a computer at home, but they're really thick, which is going to be really nice for just longevity. The best part too is I took the extra step to laminate them. So if you can, I think laminating is going to be really good because like I said, if we put this on a car window or if we put it on like a coffee cup, it's going to last with water and not going to fray. Well guys, that's all I got for you. Hopefully you were able to learn something. I know some of you probably still have some questions, so feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to respond to every question that you have. If I need to, I'll do a follow-up video, but this is just my quick version of how I make professional stickers at home, and I just wanted to share that with you guys, so hopefully it helps and you can make your own professional stickers. If you liked the video, you already know what to do. Until the next time, peace.